Again, welcome to our third chapter. Today we are going to discuss about the temperature, one of the physical quantity, fundamental physical quantity, temperature, measurement of temperature. So what do you mean by temperature? The word temperature, when you hear, at first, you in your mind, it will be, the concept which will be coming will be most probably related to hotness. Is it not? When we are speaking that something is about temperature, suddenly we will feel some hotness. But we have to keep it in mind that temperature is the degree of hotness or coldness. Temperature is the degree of hotness or coldness. So actually temperature means either it can be higher temperature is called hotness and lower temperature is called coldness. When the winter season was over, now it is summer season. In winter season we were having what? Coldness. That is also temperature. Temperature is lower. And now we are having temperature, a very high temperature. It's very hot. So we can say it is a hotness. So the definition of temperature is the degree of hotness or coldness is called temperature. Now, if we have defined the temperature, surely as other quantities, length, mass and time, we have to measure temperature also. The device which is used to measure temperature is thermometer. The device which is used to measure temperature is a thermometer. So before we are going to the thermometer normally the construction of thermometer is it's a glass tube. It's a glass tube. And inside the glass tube there will be a narrow hole will be there. A small hole will be there. And the bottom of this one here, there you can see something little more darkened. That is called a bulb. So a mercury thermometer or a thermometer is having the glass tube is called a stem. The glass tube is called a stem. And inside there is a fine hole is there. This is a fine hole, and this is something is dark, and this is also a hole, and that is called a bore. Then next one is the bottom part of thermometer is called a bulb. So stem, bore and bulb are three main parts of a thermometer. And inside the thermometer we are using the liquid. That means darkened area you can see, that is the mercury. That is a mercury. Mercury, I don't know whether you have heard about mercury. Mercury is the only one metal which is in liquid form. One metal which is in liquid form is mercury. Why we are using mercury is mercury is very highly sensitive to the temperature. So if you are giving a small amount of temperature, suddenly the mercury will be rising through this empty or fine hole. Okay, that the rising is shown like this darkened region. Clear? So this is about a thermometer, just generally. We will come to that portion. Now, temperature scales. Normally we are having 1. That means SI unit should be 1. SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. And Kelvin scale is the standard international scale to measure the temperature. The temperature will be measured only in Kelvin in standard international units. But Kelvin is not so familiar for us. To another common unit of temperature or scale of temperature, what we are using is Celsius scale and Fahrenheit scale. I am sure that Celsius scale and Fahrenheit scales are very familiar to you. For example, when the weather casting is there, surely the people will be telling, or the newsreader will be telling, the higher temperature is 37 degrees Celsius and the lower is 30 degrees Celsius. Okay, so Celsius scale is very familiar for us. And again, if you are looking at the mobile, there will be temperature will be weather temperature will be there, and it's expressed in degree Celsius, and it is represented by C, and upside there is a small 0 degree Celsius. Then Fahrenheit scale. Fahrenheit scale, is it familiar to you? When you are getting fever, and if you go to doctor, sometimes doctor will say that your fever body temperature is 99. That means 99. It doesn't mean that it is 99 degrees Celsius. If it is 99 degrees Celsius, If we are pouring one drop of water on your hand, suddenly what will happen? It will start boiling. If you are getting fever, if you are pouring some water, surely the water will not boil, right? So that time the doctors are expressing the temperature in this scale, Fahrenheit scale. And it is a unit is a degree Fahrenheit, capital F. Upside there will be a small 0. Okay, so these are three main scales which is measuring the temperature: Kelvin scale, Celsius scale, and Fahrenheit scale. And the unit will be Kelvin, represented by capital K. Then degree Celsius is represented by capital C. Upside there is a 0, and degree Fahrenheit is a capital F and 0. And this is called a degree. Degree Fahrenheit, degree Celsius. Now, for the thermometer, whether it is a degree Celsius thermometer or Fahrenheit thermometer or Kelvin thermometer, 2 points are there. One is lower point, lower limit point, and another one is upper limit point. Lower limit point will be the minimum point and the upper limit will be the maximum point of that particular thermometer. Now, here we are going to compare about degree Celsius, degree Fahrenheit and Kelvin. Both Kelvin and degree Celsius thermometers, there are 100 equal divisions. 0 is taken as, in degree Celsius, 0 is taken as the lower point. In Kelvin, it is taken as 273.16 Kelvin. And upper point will be 100 degrees Celsius. This will be equal to 373.16 Kelvin. And in between this lower point and upper limit, there are 100 equal divisions. There are 100 equal divisions. And each one division will be representing 1 degree Celsius or 1 Kelvin. So, one division rise in mercury column means, one division is rising means will be equal to either 1 degree Celsius rise or a 1 Kelvin rise. Clear? But upper limit and lower limit is same for the degree Fahrenheit thermometer, but it is divided. The lower limit is taken as 32 degree Fahrenheit and upper limit is taken as 212 degree Fahrenheit. So this is divided into equal 180 divisions. So it will be divided to equal 180 divisions. Again, the lower limit of a temperature is taken as the freezing point of water. Normally 0 degree Celsius is the freezing point of water. So when the water will become ice, that is called the freezing point. The temperature at which the water turns to ice is called the freezing point. And the upper limit will be taken as boiling point of water. The temperature at which the water starts boiling. Normally we will say that it's 100 degrees Celsius is equal to 373.16 Kelvin or 212 degree Fahrenheit. So upper limit and lower limit is fixed on the basis of freezing point and boiling point of water. Freezing point and boiling point of water. Now again, as I said, even though we are using this commonly using Celsius and Fahrenheit scale, Kelvin scale is the SI unit of temperature. And this Kelvin scale was introduced by Lord William Thomson Kelvin. Introduced by he was one of the scientists in physics branch of physics. So his name was Lord William Thomson Kelvin. In order to respect him, we have given SI unit as a Kelvin. And you know why we are using this one. Already in the first class we have seen how we are representing this one, Kelvin. If you are writing a person's name also, if it is SI unit, we will use only small letters. But if it is a person's name, we will use capital letters if you are representing only by one letter. And if you want to change, that means how you are converting degree Celsius into Kelvin. If you want to convert degree Celsius into Kelvin, you have to add 273.16. If you want to convert degree Celsius into Kelvin, you have to add 273.16. For example, 0 degree Celsius, if you want to convert Kelvin, 0 plus 273.16, answer is 273.16 Kelvin. If you want to convert 100 degree Celsius into Kelvin, 100 plus 273 will give a 373.16 Kelvin. And if you want to change Kelvin into degree Celsius, you have to subtract. You have to minus. You have to subtract the value 273.16. For example, if it is a 298.16, if you want to convert minus 273.16, the answer will be 25 degree Celsius. So this is the conversion of degree Celsius into Kelvin and Kelvin into degree Celsius. If you want to convert degree Celsius into Kelvin, you have to add 273. If you want to convert Kelvin into degree Celsius, you have to minus 273. So there are two types of thermometers. First one is a laboratory thermometer and second one is a clinical thermometer. Laboratory thermometer and a clinical thermometer. So already I have said the general terms of thermometers are bulb. The lower part, bottom part is called bulb, and from the bulb through the bore. This is a bore. Bore means a fine hole in between the glass tube is called bore, and the outer side glass tube is called stem, and mercury will be filled. Mercury is normally collected in the bulb, and when the thermometer bulb is attached with our body, what will happen? Or attached with a hot body, the mercury will be rising up. Okay, and laboratory thermometer is mainly used for the laboratory or the scientific purposes. And main difference of a laboratory and a clinical thermometers are: laboratory thermometer lower point we are taking as a minus 20 degrees Celsius, not 0. We are taking as a minus 20, and the upper limit will be 110. So in laboratory thermometer, lower limit will be minus 20 to upper limit will be 110. Whereas the clinical thermometer, lower temperature will be 35 degrees Celsius and the upper will be 42 degrees Celsius. So this is the main difference of a laboratory thermometer and a clinical thermometer. Laboratory thermometer is used for the laboratory purposes or the scientific purposes in the lab. So there we are having the thermometer with the lower point minus 20 degrees Celsius and the higher point 110 degrees Celsius. And clinical thermometer is only used to measure the body temperature of a human being. Clinical thermometer is only used to measure the body temperature of a human being, and its lower point is 35 degrees Celsius and upper point is 42 degrees Celsius. And normal body temperature of a human being is 37 degrees Celsius or 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. Okay, now we are telling that 35 degrees Celsius, it will be 94 degree Fahrenheit, up to 42, 108 degree Fahrenheit. And here in the mercury thermometer, one red arrow will be there, or the one red note will be there, and this red arrow will be pointing 37 degrees Celsius. So how you are measuring the body temperature of a human being? When you are having fever, the nurse, when we are going to the hospital, the nurse will bring the thermometer and they will shake the thermometer. Why they are shaking the thermometer means, first initially we have to collect all the mercury in the bulb. So they will shake it first. So all the mercury will be collected on the bulb. After that, either they will keep under tongue or they will keep in between our hands and our body, and they will wait for 1 minute. So bulb is attached with our body. So inside the bulb already mercury is collected. So when the bulb is attached to our body, the temperature of the body will be supplied to the mercury, and the mercury will start rising in the bore. And after 1 minute, it will have a steady state. That means it should not go up again. So when the mercury level is at steady, when they are stopping the rising, we will take out the thermometer and we will see up to which limit this mercury has extended. And if the mercury is standing at 37 degrees Celsius, you don't have any fever. Your body is having the normal temperature, that is 37 degrees Celsius. And if it is beyond that one, more than 37 degrees Celsius, you are having fever. You are having fever. And sometimes, and once again I am telling, sometimes when we are checking the fever, normally when the thermal scan or whatever, they will express sometimes in your body temperature is 98.6. You don't worry about that. It's not degrees Celsius. Up to 98.6, your body temperature is normal. And if it is more than 98.6, 98.7 or 99, 100, 101 and all, at that time our body is having high fever. Okay, so that is the difference between laboratory thermometer and clinical thermometer. So this is one of the main question in your exam. Either laboratory or a clinical thermometer will be asked. So what you have to do? You have to take your physioscopy and you have to draw this one, both mercury and laboratory thermometer. Not like this. You have to draw like this. Okay. Then again, this is one activity is there. Compare the temperature of water, hot water and tap water using a laboratory thermometer. So how you will compare? You will take two containers. Okay, two containers, two beakers you are going to take, and in one beaker you are going to pour hot water, and the other beaker you are going to pour normal water, and you are going to dip two mercuries. Keep it in mind that we are using only laboratory thermometer. This is only for the measurement of temperature of human being. If you are putting this one in hot water, what will happen? Hot water will be more than 42 degrees Celsius. So this mercury will be expanding more, and there will not be any space to expand more than 42 degrees Celsius, and the mercury will expand more, and the glass tube or the stem will break and mercury will come out. And when the glass is breaking, if your body is having some wound or something, if the mercury is falling on your wounds, within seconds you will die. Okay, if the mercury is very poisonous. If the mercury is entering to our blood directly, suddenly you are going to die. So don't play with mercury thermometer, or don't put that mercury thermometer inside a hot water, or no, you should not use any other purposes rather than the measurement of body temperature, this clinical thermometer. Right? And we are using a laboratory thermometer here. We will take two laboratory thermometers and we will dip two laboratory thermometers here inside this one, and we will wait for some time and we will measure the temperature after every 1 minute. For 5 temperature we will take, and we will find out what is the temperature of normal water and what is the temperature of hot water. Okay. Now some works are there. You have to change conversion of Celsius to Kelvin. You have to change degree Celsius to Kelvin. Okay. First one is 200 degree Celsius. Degree Celsius is the first one. You have to change 10 degrees Celsius to Kelvin, minus 20 degrees Celsius to Kelvin. And next one is you have to change Kelvin into degree Celsius. 238.16, 343.16. This both you have to convert into degree Celsius. So go through the topics, study well, and solve these numericals in your copy by using the equation. If it is from 0 to degree Celsius to Kelvin, you will be adding 273, and if it is Kelvin to degree Celsius, you will be minusing 273 degrees Celsius. Thank you.